Hey everyone, how are you doing? And welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we're cycling a piece key Microsoft Store error on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Your error code D0x801315 comes with a message saying page cannot be loaded, please try again later. You've got options to report it or to refresh. I'm guessing you've hit the refresh button with no luck. Don't worry, this should be an easy fix without too much hassle. Let's jump right in and get the store working again. First, let's reset the store cache. Open the search menu down on your taskbar, click that magnifying glass next to the start button. Type WSReset, that's WSReset. When WSReset pops up as the best match, go ahead and click it. A black command window will flash up for a moment. It's clearing out the store's junk data. Give it a few seconds and the Microsoft Store should reload on its own. Once it's back, try loading a page or downloading something, see if that error is gone. The quick reset often clears the glitch right up. Still seeing that code, no problem. Let's dig a bit deeper. Back to the search menu and type cmd start. When command prompt shows up, click and pick Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt asks for permission, click Yes and you'll land in the elevated command window. Now type sfc space, then / followed by scannow as one word. Hit Enter to kick off the System File Checker. This tool checks your system files for anything broken or missing and fixes them on the spot. It's not fast. Expect it to take 5 to 10 minutes, maybe more if your PC has a lot to sift through. You will see the progress bar ticking up 10%, 20%, 30%, so sit tight. It's worth the wait, trust me. When it's done, it will tell you if there were file issues and if it fixed them or if everything is good. Either way, close the command prompt with X in the corner, then restart your computer in the Start menu, press Restart, then it should shut down and go back up. Once you're back at the desktop, fire up the Microsoft Store again, open it from the Start menu or taskbar if it's pinned. Try loading a page or grabbing an app. Hopefully that error is history now. The cache reset and file scan should tackle most causes of this hiccup. That's it, folks. A straightforward two-step fix to banish that D0x801315 error and get your store running smoothly. If this got you sorted, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more handy tips. Catch you in the next tutorial. Stay glitch-free.